for any three positive real numbers a, b and c. If 9 into 25 a square plus b square plus 25 into c square minus 3ac is equal to 15b into 3a plus c. Then four options are there. In this case, the given equation here 9 into 25 a square plus b square plus 25 into bracket c square minus of 3ac is equal to 15b into 3a plus cs. Take a 9 inside the bracket here. So 225 a square plus 9 into b square plus 25 c square. 25 these are 75. 75 into c minus 15 these are 45. So 45 ab minus of 15 bc, that is equal to 0. Therefore, this can be written as 15 8 square here, then plus 3b square means 9b square means 3b whole square here. Then plus 25c square is 5c square minus of. So 75 ac can be written as 15a into 5cs minus 45ab can be written as 15a into 3 into bs. Then 15 bc can be written as a minus of 3 into b into 5c, that is equal to 0. Yeah, multiplying and dividing by 2s. So 1 upon 2 into 2 into bracket. So 15 8 square plus 3b it's a square plus 5c it's a square minus of 15a into 5c minus of 15a into 3 into b minus of 3b into 5c, that is equal to 0. Now take this 2 inside this bracket here. So you can write this one as 1 upon 2 into bracket. So 15a it's a square plus 3 into b square here, 3b square minus of. So 2 into 15a, then 3 into b. Write the terms in the one bracket here, then plus. Next, write here 3b square here. 3b it's a square. Okay. So 15a whole square means like this here. Write in the bracket here. 3b it's a square. Then a plus 5c square here. Minus of 2 into 15a to 5c. B into c means to take this one. 3 into b into 5 into c. Bracket complete here plus. Then 5c square here. In the bracket here. 5c it's a square plus 15a it's a square here. 15a it's a square minus of. Take this one here. 2 into. So 15a into 5c. Bracket complete here. That is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Okay. Then take this to right hand side. 2 into 0 becomes a 0. And these terms can be written as 15a minus of 3b It's a square, then plus 1. These terms can be written as 3b minus of 5c, it's a square, then plus 1. And these terms can be written as 5c minus of 15a square is equal to 0. Here take this to right side, here 2 into this 0 becomes 0. Okay. Next write like this here. Here sum of these three terms is 0. Sum of these three terms is 0 gives it is possible only when 15a minus 3b is equal to 0. Then the 3b minus of 5c is equal to 0. Then the 5c minus of 15a is 0. If each term is 0, then only this sum is 0 because square term is there. Because there is square here, therefore this term cannot be negative. Therefore, individually this is 0, this is 0, this is 0, then only sum becomes a 0. Take minus 3b right side here. 15a is equal to 3b. Then the 3b is equal to 5c. Then the 5c is equal to 15a. Therefore, from these results here, we can write 15a is equal to 3b is equal to 5c. Now divide the terms by 15. Dividing each term by 15. Therefore, 15a divided by 15. Then this is equal to 3b divided by 15 is equal to 5c divided by 15. Then I cancel 15 and 15 cancels here. A divided by 1. Then 3 1 are 3 5 are. B divided by 5. 5 1 are 5 3 are. So C divided by 3 is equal to lambda. Therefore, A is equal to 1 into lambda becomes lambda. B is equal to 5 into lambda becomes 5 lambda. So C is equal to 3 into lambda becomes 3 lambda. So from these results here, BC are the name here. Okay. Therefore, B comma C comma A are in the AP. Okay. Because the 5 lambda is there. B, then the 3 lambda. Then it is a lambda. 3 lambda minus 5 lambda is minus 2 lambda. Lambda minus 3 lambda is minus 2 lambda. Hence B, C, A are in AP here. So first option is correct over here. So here second, fifth and ninth terms of a non-constant AP are in GPS. Therefore second term is A2. Then fifth term is A5. Ninth term is A9 of terms of AP are in GPS. Second term, fifth term and ninth terms of AP are in GPM. That is second term is A plus DR. Fifth term is A plus 4 into D. Ninth term is A plus 8D. Terms of AP are in GPM. Therefore, you are using the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into dn. Using this formula. If these are in GPR, then A plus 4D, it's a square, is equal to A plus D into A plus 8D. Because you know this formula, G square is equal to AB. Here's this formula here. Okay. Therefore, expand it here. A square plus 16D square plus 8 a into d is equal to a into a becomes a square here, then plus a into 8d 8 ad plus d into a becomes ad here, then plus 8d into d becomes 8d square here. A square, this a square cancels here. 8 AD and this 8 AD get cancels. Take 8 D square left side here. 16 D square minus 8 D square is 8 D square here is equal to 8 here. Then the D and 1 D get cancels here. Hence 8 D is equal to A. 8 D is equal to A. Here we want the common ratio. Therefore, so this term divided by this term is the common ratio because these three terms are in a GPS. Therefore, common ratio R is equal to this upon this here. A plus 4D divided by A plus DS. That is equal to here A value is 8DS. So right here 8D plus 4D divided by 8D plus DS. 8 plus 4 becomes 12. 12D divided by 8 plus 1 becomes 9 here. D and this is D can cancel. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9 here. Therefore, common ratio is 4 upon 3 here. Second option is correct.